Well, good morning, everybody. It's Lonnie. Gonna pull some orders this morning. These are the cars that I packed up yesterday, or last night, I should say. There are a few more cars that got paid for since then, so I'll be packing those up as part of today's orders. Let's see. First thing going out, I already pulled this. These are a couple of these cool-looking cups. This was from a meal we ate at Disney World. Been a couple of years now, and I bought quite a few things for like resale when we went on this trip. This is one of them. It didn't work out quite the way I planned. So we got drinks with these. I actually have two more. We got drinks with these at Cinderella Castle. I can't remember the Be Our Guest or something like that. I think was the name of that meal. And these are pretty expensive. Trying to remember what they were, but we got drinks with it, and had them just bring a drink in the normal glass instead, and these were never used. But what they do is they light up. Look, I'll turn this one on. It still works. See, the stem of it lights up. But anyway, these sold for $20 a piece, $40 total plus shipping on top. I took an offer. So I don't think I'm making much, if anything, on these. Okay, this is a beer can from a lot of beer cans I bought a pretty good while back. I don't have a ton left now, but it's taking a long time to sell these things. But yeah, Old Chicago dark beer can, open from the bottom like this, like an oil can would be, and poured out, I guess, so they could save the can. They didn't use the pull tab for some reason. But yeah, this is going out to a viewer, Ashton. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for buying it. Oh, it was just under $5, like $4.90 something. Yeah, $4.99 plus shipping on top. So thanks again, Ashton. Hope you like it. You can see I've got the books mostly set up on this shelf. I also haven't moved these. These are all empty boxes. Mostly I have the books set up. Still have some car manuals and stuff here. So I'm still working with this stuff. I never can stop long enough to hardly do anything, it seems. I did sell these over modem. I did sell these phone jacks. Let's see, that is a lot of 35 modular single port surface mount phone jacks. $25 plus shipping on top. It'll ship in this this regional A box you see here. Looks like it's fine. I will count them real quick, but it looks like they're all there. So yeah, they got a good deal, and I got those for free. So I really like that sale. That's a good one. Okay, here's an interesting little sale. This little box of collectible things. Pink Floyd album cover playing cards. I guess the front side of each one of these cards has a different Pink Floyd album. $9.99 plus shipping on top. Just a little random thing I've gotten in one of the lots from my guy. We're looking for Crash Bandicoot and the Wraith of the Cortex. Oh good, it's up top. All right, yeah. $7.99 plus shipping on top for this. All right, I sold one of these little lead miniatures. That is them in here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, these little lead miniatures, which, man, I've done so well on. They've kind of slowed down. Like, that's how these things work. After you sell through a bunch of them, then there are fewer left for you to possibly sell. So, inevitably, it just kind of slows down, which is fine. Look, here it is right here. J1. $10 plus shipping for that little fella. So, yeah, I am loving these things. I'll just put them back up here, and I'll wait for the next one. Or a lot of times they buy more than one when they buy them. So I do like selling big box PC games. However, this one has been pretty sticky as far as not being able to get it sold. So when I got an offer the other day for $10 plus shipping on this, then I took it fast. Because this is a bigger than normal big box PC game, and nobody really wanted it. So the only big box PC games I have left are these sealed ones right here, and then this Junior Space Academy that, yeah, it may never sell. I sold some models, y'all. Let's see. We sold a bat plane right here for, how much we get on that? $8.24 for the bat plane. And then I pulled it out from under the bat cycle. Same buyer bought all three. Bat cycle got $10.49 plus shipping. And then the same buyer bought this one, which is a Batmobile. And this one got $14.99 plus shipping. So yeah, $14.99, $10.49, and $8.24, all of the same buyer. That's probably, man, if I was a model builder and a Batman fan, that would be pretty awesome to have those three things. Okay, next up, I had a viewer buy three things the other day. Let's see, they bought this Army Digest. That's like, oh, that's from 1968 October. Let's see, they paid $9.99 for that. And then they bought two Hallmark ornaments. Let me grab them. All right, it's kind of windy back here. I hope it doesn't sound too bad. Yeah, two Hallmark ornaments here. I need to double check, make sure I'm grabbing the right ones real quick. Let's see. Boom, boom. Yep, those are the right ones. One of those ornaments was $9.99. The other was $14.99. So thank you, Angel. I appreciate your order. I hope you like your stuff. Oh, the same guy that bought my all those chess pieces came back and wanted two more. Wanted this green guy. Who is that? Is that Green Lantern? Is that what that is? That's these are plastic chess pieces. So he paid $11 for that, and then got some kind of big purple guy. Oh, here we go. It looks bigger in the picture, that's for sure. And this purple dude, I don't even know who that is, for $11. So yeah, $22 order here. But this t-shirt sold $17.99 plus shipping. Killzone is the name of the game for PS2. That is a cool looking image on the back of it. $17.99 plus shipping. That's a really good price for this. Got some jeans going out. Already pulled these. These are some Talbots. $11.24 plus shipping on top for these. All right, I sold a comic book D5 right here. Okay, that was pretty easy. Cyber Frog. Sold this comic for $7.49 plus shipping on top for this. I think that's about it in my main account. Okay, I actually got those orders that I've already pulled. I've got those packed. I don't have them labeled yet, but I do have them packed. And I'm gonna pull the orders from the other account now. The next thing I have up going out is a Dorbs, which those are terrible. But I have them to sell, so let me grab it. All right, this little Dorbs thing, this is Harley Quinn, $7.99 free ship. I really should take these all down and just lot them together and be done with them, but because I'm not making much on it. But yeah, sold that. All right, these are some cars I actually had before. I sold a Larry Fine car. This is it right here, I believe. Yeah, see, it's got Three Stooges graphics on it. So yeah, this was $9.99 plus shipping on top for this little car here. A couple little small sales. Sold a Nintendo DS game, Nintendogs Dalmatian and Friends, $5.99 plus shipping on top for that one. Sold a Play Arts Arkham City Catwoman figure. It's pretty cool, huh? New in the box. Sold this for $39.99 plus shipping on top. Sold this, another Johnny Lightning car. This is a Team Bozo dragster. It's got Bozo the Clown on it. I got to go back and look real quick, but I think I got $4.99 I think it was $4.99 plus shipping for that. Let me look. Where did I do with my phone? Oh, here it is. Yeah, $4.99 plus shipping. So, all right, I'm going to the Box O vintage Star Wars figs here. We're looking for a Chewbacca VS26. It's not that one. That's VS28. Had several Chewbaccas. Look, here's another Chewbacca, and here's another Chewbacca. VS26. That's the Chewbacca we're looking for. And got $5.99 plus shipping on top for that Chewbacca. All right, we're gonna run up here real quick and get a laser disc. I'm looking for Hair Beyond Compare. And I'm gonna try not to fall down and kill myself. And I know what y'all are thinking. Y'all are thinking, Lonnie, why do you have this up here where it's kind of hard to get to? And I'm like, viewer, I don't know. This Rocky Bullwinkle, this is not a good way to do this. I'm about to take it down, although I think I might be getting close. Here it is. All right, I almost gave up, but I didn't. Yeah, why do you have this up here, Lonnie? I don't have a good answer for that. All right, Hair Beyond Compare. I got $8.99 plus shipping for that. That's on a laser disc. Okay, I just went and picked these up off the shelf, but it's two of these Batman Automobilia things. This one is the Penguin variant. There we go, you can see it there. He's got his little umbrella there. Or no, actually that umbrella is attached to the car. Batmobile Penguin variant. And then we have the Joker Mobile, I think this is called. Yeah, Joker Mobile. Check that out. Anyways, I got $25 a piece for these, plus shipping on top. So that was a nice little sale. Okay, the last two things I pulled to pack are two Hot Wheels. Surprise, surprise, right? This is this Captain America RV thing. Got $24 for that one, and same buyer bought this Matchbox super fast car. It's got like a snake on it or something. This one went for $20.50. So got 44 something worth of cars here, plus shipping on top, of course. You know, somebody asked me when I was doing a premiere for the last video, they said, how are the sales overall going for the Hot Wheels? Let me look it up. I'll give you the totals right now. Okay, I'm looking at the screen right now, and so far I've sold 71 Hot Wheels for, and there's a few other brands. There's Matchbox, and there's a couple of other ones, Ertl or whatever. But yeah, 71 die-cast cars from that lot for $676.97. So, and that does not include shipping. That is just the item sale price only. So, also does not include fees, of course. So yeah, it's going really well. 71 sold for $676. That's an average of somewhere between $9 and $10 a car. And a lot of the orders are like 2 or 3 at a time. So really good stuff. Really good stuff. I'm good. What I'm gonna do is probably tonight I'm gonna run all the ones that didn't sell, because I sold 70. I've got like that many more again, at least that didn't sell. I'll probably run all those again starting tonight, and I'll run them probably a few times until I figure out, like, okay, these are not going to work at auction, and then I'll probably either put those up at since I'll already be in that form as a single listing, and I won't have to do any extra work. I'll probably just make some buy it nows, and then who knows, maybe eventually I'll do a lot of them. Although buy it now will work fine too. I don't mind shipping something small like that. It'll probably take a while, but they'll sell. They'll sell. But yeah, man, $676.97. Wow, that's pretty good for those little cars. All right, so these are all the packages that are not Hot Wheels that I packed up. The Hot Wheels are over here in this. I managed to fit them all in this IKEA bag. These are the non-Hot Wheels packages, and here's kind of the cool thing about having this on wheels, as long as I don't pull that down, then I can just kind of like, because this is a 5 foot long table basically, I can pull it over here, and now I'm gonna listen to some H3 and just like weigh and label these packages, and then when I get done I can push the workbench back up against the wall again. So that's the reason I have it on wheels, for instances like this where it'd be nice to have a table out in the middle of the room, but I definitely don't want this to be there all the time. So that's why I have it on wheels. Okay, so this is all the packages I got going out today. Just counting them up. I put them all out for a thumbnail, you know, a little gaudy thumbnail. I don't usually do that, but I will today. Just because today is like, this is like one of the biggest shipping days I've had as far as like package count. 51 friggin' packages. It's crazy. Of course, you know, a good chunk of that is Hot Wheels, like right here. But even without those, pretty decent day. Or not day, but pretty decent weekend. So, yeah, we'll get into some other stuff tomorrow. And we'll get caught up on the momentum board tomorrow and my lack of momentum. Of course, shipping days like this can kind of kill your momentum somewhat. I got to get this stuff to the post office. This is like probably about a 3 IKEA bagger today, I think. Anyway, see y'all tomorrow. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.